Yo, what's up? Today I'm gonna be taking my wheels apart. Um, just ordered new lips. Still gotta order my barrels. But yeah, right now I have nothing to do. Still waiting for my white pipe to come in. I finished climbing everything. So yeah, I'm gonna start working on my wheels. And yeah, that's it.
I'm taking my time, want you to be mine. Put all my feet up, I'm changing your mind. I'm feeling the best, but I have to. You don't wanna be nice, cause I suck you. I'm taking my time, want you to be mine. Put all my feet up, I'm changing your mind, changing your mind. I'm feeling the best, but I have to. You don't wanna be nice, cause I suck you. I'ma take my time, want you to be mine.
Alright, it's been about 30 minutes. Got the first one out. Don't know if I'm gonna do the other one. The sun is going down. Um, I don't know yet. Yeah. Yeah. Alright, I got both of them out. Just gotta wait for everything to come in. So I'll update y'all when that happens. Yeah. Yo, update. It's been about 2 weeks since I recorded anything about my wheels, but my lips came in, my barrels came in, and I'm putting it together right now. I was only able to buy one barrel for right now, so I'm gonna have to wait another week or two before I can, build the other one. But I'm gonna put this back together and then test fit it on the whip, see how it looks. So yeah. Alright, update. Got the wheel together, got it on the car, and this is what it's looking like. I don't think the fitment is tight enough, so if I take the wheel off, throw a bigger spacer on, and see how it looks. And yeah, I'll update y'all after that. Also found out my toe is off, so might have to fix the alignment or just, yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. Yeah. Alright, so this is how the wheel sits right now. Fitment is kind of where I want it at. Could be a little tighter, but not mad at it. And like I said earlier, the alignment is off, so that's something else I got to get done. But yeah, like I said, I'm not mad at it. Still looks pretty good. And yeah, I'll update y'all next time I'm working on the car. Yeah.
Rockets faking to be goofy, couldn't get us with AGs over this, running slow in the wind. Oh, hands tell me, goddamn, 14's on that bitch. Yes, sir, I appreciate you noticing my trip. Slam to the pavement like what it is. Hey, slow me back, tell her that the moment is. When I'm sitting like my heart, I'm emotionless.
Yo, we're back. Barrel finally came in. Finally gonna rebuild the wheels. I was supposed to pull up on Michael so we can do our wheels together, but I'm not gonna make it down there. So I'm gonna be doing it by myself. Never done this before, but people that I talked to, they said it's pretty easy. So yeah, I'm gonna get to work and then update y'all later. Yeah.
Just tell me what's the point of the deep end. I don't got no choice. Flick the clutch, spark a joint. I think I feel worse. Cut to cross like I'm Joyce. Just tell me what's the point of the deep end. I don't got no choice. Flick the clutch, spark a joint. I think I feel worse. Cut to cross like I'm Joyce. Just tell me what's the point of the deep end. I don't got no choice. Just tell me what's the point.
Yo, back, and I'm working on the car, but it's the daily. It's not the G. I was about to go to the tire shop, get the wheels mounted, but had some issues. So shout out to the homie Teddy for helping me out, as always. But right now I'm changing out the temp sensor because my fan turned on and it wasn't working before, but now that it is on, it won't turn off. So just changing the temp sensor to a new one. Hopefully that works out. If not, then GG's. But yeah, I'm gonna put this in and hopefully it works out so I can go to the tire shop today. Yeah, this car will be outside tomorrow. Yeah, get to work and update y'all later.
This fucking dude like stalking the fuck out of us. Hold on, let's
We're going to have this like the fifth time. Of course, it's gonna be fucking sus as shit.
shut up, alright?
What's this? Fucking fine. This is a regular blue Gatorade, and I see it next to the darker blue Gatorade, and I go, what the fuck is that?
Fuck, we got that. We got fucking laundry. Fucking yeah, we do it now. But fucking dishwasher.
Yo, it's been like 4 days, 3 days, I forgot. But finally finished rebuilding the wheels. And this is what they look like. Got the tires mounted. Went with 215/35 tires. So yeah, first time on 35 sidewall. Don't know how it's gonna be, but should be fine. And yeah, just put them on the car. But y'all gonna have to wait until the next video to see the end result. So yeah, I'm gonna end this video here, and I hope you guys liked it. Peace.